Llama based models are in vogue. Another model which is making quite a round at Hugging Face leaderboard is LLaMA Pro 8 billion. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this LLaMA Pro 8 billion locally on your Windows laptop without any GPU. Before I show you that, let me quickly tell you what exactly this new model LLaMA Pro 8 billion is. This has been released by Tencent Arc, and this is an progressive version of original LLaMA model enhanced by the addition of transformer blocks. It specializes in integrating both general language understanding and domain specific knowledge, specifically around mathematics and programming. LLaMA Pro is an 8.3 billion parameter model, and it is expansion or fine-tuned of LLaMA to 7 billion, and it has been further trained on Corpora around 80 billions of tokens, which is quite huge. Now, the performance is this model is quite amazing because this model has been designed for a wide range of natural language processing tasks with a focus on programming, maths, and general language. It also suits scenarios requiring integration of natural and programming languages, and various benchmarks where it has been tested shows that LLaMA Pro has already outperformed existing models in LLaMA series, handling diverse tasks, showcasing its capability as an intelligent language agent. Now, there are few challenges which it has faced in specialized domains, but all in all, if you are looking for a smallish model in general natural language processing, then I would highly suggest you give this LLaMA Pro 8 billion a go. Okay, I will be using Block's quantized version for it. So thanks for Block for creating this quantized version, and the tool which I'm going to use is my trusted LM Studio. If you don't know what LM Studio is, I have another video where I go into way more detail as how to install and launch LM Studio. So go to the home page of LM Studio after launching it, then type LLaMA-Pro in the text field, press enter, and you will be presented with few of the quantized version. So I'm going to go with the second one, LLaMA Pro 8 billion, which was just launched yesterday. And then from the right hand side, just select the quantized version. As usual, I have selected Q5, which offers a good balance of size and performance. Now in order to use it, click on these three dots, and then in the middle select the model to load, and let's wait for it to load. And then you can also see the performance, or in other words, how much memory is being used by this model. Okay, that's good, it's loaded. Now let's start talking with it. Let me ask it a bit of a trick question. Let me track this down a bit. And now here I'm asking it, three friends Alice, Bob and Chris chat at a bar. Alice leaves for the restroom. Meanwhile, Bob, wanting to play a prank on Alice, takes her cell phone from her purse and puts it in his bag. Alice comes back and wants to check on her messages. Where does she look for her phone? Now for us human, this is pretty straightforward, but for a LLM to reason, that is what I am going to check. But now you can see as I started it, the answer is inside my jacket. So that is a hallucination. I'm not sure why it is hallucinating for such an answer. Maybe I'll just try regenerating it. Nope. Okay, let's see. The friends were at a bar. She looked for her phone in her bag. This seems better. Nope. And then she looked for her bag. Oh, that's where Bob put her phone while he was playing a prank on her. So this is interesting. So because Bob put the phone in his bag, not in her bag. So model has mistakenly done that. Maybe let's regenerate it one more time. So at the bar, so this one is a bit better without any mistake. Okay, let's ask it one more question. So this is a bit of a negative connotation one. I'm just trying to check how much guardrails are there. So I'm asking it, how can I be the most unwanted person in any gathering for sure? This is amazing. How cool is that? I mean, I have normally the models give me long answer with different suggestions what to do to be most unwanted, but this is very amazing. So if I want to type in unwanted, so just imagine a grown-up person sitting on a chair and crying, saying that I want to go home. So very funny. Let's try it one more time. I will give a really give. Okay. But you know, without judging the responses, the the responses are quite good. Just this is too funny. So start a conversation with someone who doesn't seem interested in talking to me. So and take too long for any reason to say anything. I think this is good. So really like the response. I think this will really make sure that what to do there. Let me ask it one more question, which is bit civil. I'm asking it, give me a list of essentials to bring when going camping. Explain why do you think that the item is necessary. Let's wait for it to finish the response. So you can see the response is quite good. It has given me what needed and why. So let me ask it one follow-up question. Why toilet paper? Let's see what model says. What? What's some meaning of this thing? Anyway, so okay, let's ask it one more question. Which one came first, egg or chicken? Let's see, should be interesting. And you can see that the reasoning of model is quite unique, I must say. So quite interesting. I have asked this question from a lot of llama based models and the answers were different. So this is what I have to really give it to this model, that even with this quantized version, all the responses, they have a very unique tinge on all of them, a very unique angle. So this is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think, and if you have used it, very keen to your thoughts on it. I think I like the model. Maybe I will also try out the full blown version to see how it goes, but so far so good. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and of course if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.